How to play MKV video format on an iPhone. To play MKV videos on the iPhone, we first need to download and install a media player app on the iPhone that reads the MKV video format. In this video, I'll be using this app. After we have successfully installed the app on the iPhone, we need to import an MKV video into the app. So connect the iPhone to a computer that has your MKV video stored. Here I am using iTunes to import the video. I'll click the iPhone icon and head to File Sharing. Select the Media Player app and click the Add Files button. Find the MKV video file, select it, and hit the OK button. Wait for it to finish copying. Then that is it. The MKV video file is now on the iPhone, and we can now play it through the Media Player app. I hope this helps you. This has been Techno Voyager. I'll see you in the next video.